Zotero is a free, easy-to-use Firefox extension that will help you collect, manage, cite, and share both online and print sources. Once you've downloaded Zotero, it goes where you go on the internet and will preserve a web page exactly as you found it. Zotero can grab the biographical information from almost any web page, including YouTube, Flickr, and scholarly databases like JSTOR, with a single click in your location bar. An added bonus to the scholarly database JSTOR is the ability to select and save more than one source at a time. Of course, not all web pages will have a location bar link, so you can capture new source items from within Zotero's iTunes-like interface. Let me demonstrate this. Let's say that this is the article you want to capture for your collection. In the bottom right-hand corner of your browser, you will find a Zotero button, and clicking it brings up the Zotero collection interface. From here, there's a button that looks like a piece of paper with the bottom half highlighted that says Create New Item from Current Page. By clicking this button, you're actually taking a snapshot of the page or the article as it exists at the current moment, which means if any changes are made to this page, they will not be reflected in the snapshot saved in your collection. A few things that you will have to do manually are change the item type and probably input some of the information, such as the title, the author, the publication, but that's basically a copy-paste from right here. Now, once you've captured all the sources that you want, and as you continue to capture them, you should arrange them into a recognizable collection. In the left-hand corner of your Zotero interface will be a very recognizable plus folder. Just click that to create a new collection, name it something related to your research project, and it's your basic drag and drop process to place them all into a collection. As you begin to collect and manage your sources, Zotero has the added features of being able to add notes within your interface, as well as add annotations directly into the web page. For any online source, I can click on the View Snapshot button and be taken to an image of the source as it existed when I originally captured it. As you can see, it looks exactly the same as when I captured it 10 seconds ago. Hidden here, kind of underneath your toolbars of everything else, is a highlight button and an add annotation button. Here you can highlight directly onto the web page article, and then you can add annotations directly onto this highlighted text. Now, the cool thing about this feature is that any annotations that you mark here and any notes that you make within this interface become searchable. So if you have a keyword that you remember writing in an annotation, you can just type it in, hit search, and it will pull out this source. So it's a really good way to capture that information and keep all your sources straight. Another added benefit of Zotero is the ability to quickly add book and print sources to your collection. If your source has an ISBN number, then there's no effort on your part. Find the little magic wand button or the Add Item by Identifier. Type in your ISBN number. Hit OK. And you'll see the book source with all its information taken from the internet pop up. Finally, source citations are easily exported in MLA format directly to Google Documents. To do this, you're going to want to make sure that your preferences for export are set to Modern Language Association. There's a lot of options. And then all you have to do, select it, drag and drop. Obviously, I haven't edited any of these. But as you can see, it's in MLA 2009 format. And if you have any more questions, more screencast tutorials made by Zotero people are found at this link here.